Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can fix your frozen screen. If you can see it, the apps are not moving or some other issues are coming to your screen, how you can fix them in Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open. You can see when your if there is a problem in app icon, icons are not moving or everything is open, you can see, but no apps are not, icon is not moving, then you have to long press your home screen, click on settings, and here it is lock home screen layout. You have to just disable this option, and friends, you can see, you can put the place, you can see it is moving. If there is a freeze problem, then you have to long press your mobile power button, all the three buttons, and restart your system and it will work. If it is not, then you have to just uh, remove the battery from your phone and then put it and it will work. And if there is any problem, then you have to contact to your service center and it will fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.